Guys, today I'm gonna go to the fair with my cousin. I'm gonna record most of it on my phone though, probably all of it actually. Yeah, I'm not gonna bring my camera because I'm gonna be way too overstimulated. There's gonna be a lot of people there today. They're doing fireworks. It's like a reschedule probably for from July 4th because on July 4th it rained really hard, so I guess they're doing it today, July 12th. But yeah, there's a lot of teens at this fair. I went Friday and I'm not that comfortable with holding a camera in front of a lot of teens, so I'm not that confident yet. Let's see what we do over there. Okay guys, I'm here with my cousin.
Hi.
What's your name?
Oh, Navia?
Yep. And the fair was a fail, guys.
Yeah, it actually closed at 5.
Yeah, and it's, what time is it? 7 something?
It's 8.
Oh,
actually.
it's 8.
So we have 2 hours until the fireworks.
Yeah, and we have to go to a separate area for the fireworks, like a park or like elementary school.
Yeah, like it's not even at the fair. The fair was like
the fair
not
is
a
gone.
part of it
Like, we
at
got
all.
there, it was all gone, and there was nobody there.
Yeah, they were wrapping it up.
Yeah, so we have like 2 hours for the fireworks. So we don't know what to do for those 2 hours. But she wants food. I'm not that hungry.
So I'm just gonna eat by myself or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll be back whatever we do next.
Yeah. Maybe we can go to like the beach.
Oh
over
yeah.
here.
Okay guys, we ended up getting Cane's instead
Yes.
of Chipotle.
It was cheaper.
Yeah.
By like $3, but yeah, it's fine.
Now we're at a park. I mean, a little beach. Look at how beautiful the view is. And the sun is setting, like perfect timing, but we have to find somewhere to sit. So, and there's a lot of people here.
Look over there. Like right there.
Under that thing?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're sitting down and the sun is hitting me. Wow, look at this. She got her food and bro, she had to pay, what was it?
I didn't see that one.
Like 40 something
Yeah.
cents for extra cane sauce.
Very good. I haven't been in so long.
And then she got Fanta. So it's 8:37 and
You think it's gonna be back?
I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah, I literally have no idea either.
Should I get something from them? I'm gonna go check.
Yeah.
Guys, we're gonna look at what? Okay guys, I got my coconut shrimp.
Did you not get any sauce?
No. They don't have like ketchup and mustard over there.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it said it was supposed to come with sauce.
Really?
I don't know.
Taste test.
It's hot.
Is it good? Can I try it? Are you supposed to eat the tail?
I think so. Looks a little bit. Does it look rotty? Try it? I'm doing it in cane sauce.
Is that good? Yeah, no. I wouldn't think so.
Oh shit. What the heck?
Oopsie daisy.
Starting to get sick of this.
I feel like that's pretty if they did it right there.
I don't think they're doing anything.
look at. Wow. That's like the neighborhood. Guys, this day might be a fail. I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm confused.
Right? Like,
Guys, so there's fireworks in the neighborhood behind us, but not where they're supposed to be. So. Yeah. And our spot kind of sucks. But everywhere else is like packed. Yeah. Guys, look at everybody around us. Like, a little disappointed, but like, it's fine, guys. Oh my god. What the heck? Why are they huge? Oh my god. I'm falling back to you. I'm falling back.
was with you guys. This was with you. I know, yeah. It's right there. Yeah. Like, it's so
It's blurry. Oh my gosh, guys, I take it back. Wow. These are huge fireworks. And they're so loud, like you can hear the echo. Wow, what the heck? Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my god.
Wait, I got the Easter colors. That literally looks like it's color.
I know. I was shaking too.
It's like fish.
Oh my god. Guys, oh my goodness. You can't even see me. But look how bright those fireworks are. Is this. What the heck did I say? Wow.
is
Yeah.
like you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
science. Atom.
An atom. Okay.
Tron.
This tree is in the way, guys. Whole bunch of pollution. No, bro. Damn, these are big.
That was really good. What are you guys doing
There's
now?
gonna be traffic.